Well, it's been a long time since I uploaded a video on this channel, but anyway, we're back in this channel and I'm gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. Correct, sir? So this is the phone. Here there is all the accessories. We don't need that shit. I know it's not that good phone to unbox, but anyway, I bought it and let's unbox this. Oh my god, the voice. Whew. I'm gonna boost this phone real quick. What? And there we go. Sorry, the lighting is affecting. It has a 5 megapixel front camera, 8 megapixel back camera, and a 5-inch display, HD, and processor 1.2 gigahertz. I guess that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's try it. Sorry. Let's go and see the Android. I mean, it's a good phone for $150. Android. There we go, Android 5.1, I guess, Lollipop. I guess, you know, if you wanna buy some phone where it costs $100 and $200, this is the right phone for you. I mean, it's a good phone, but you know. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope I will see you next. Alright, I hope I will see you soon in my channel. I'm gonna be unboxing, I guess, the iPhone 6 soon. So yeah, and a PC. And see you later, bye.